patuloy nating bigyan ng halaga ang makapagbigay ng serbisyo sa madlang people. And finally, para sa madlang people, salamat sa tuloy-tuloy na suporta ninyo sa It's Showtime. Alam kong nagbago na talaga ang mundo kasi sinabi ni Cory sa show live, "What's up, madlang kapuso?" So to all our kapuso and kapamilya viewers, abangan niyo po ang Showtime sa GMA7 and GTV on April 6. We promise to make that episode a very, very special one for you. Today, it's another historic development in Philippine television. Thank you again, Attorney Goson, Jimmy, Philip, Annette, Joel, and the entire GMA. I can't thank you enough for allowing this to happen. Maraming salamat po.